This is the Hugo Industries cover for the new Holosun 407K and 507K optics. It's compatible with both the V2 and X2 versions. I want to start off by going over some of the features. First off, the cover is made of PETG. This is a plastic that you'll find used in water bottles and stuff like that. We chose this material for a few reasons. It can tolerate high temperatures without deforming. It can withstand harsh chemicals like those used to clean guns. And it has just enough rigidity to provide impact protection while still having some flex for a snug and secure fit that's still easy to remove whenever you choose to. The front of the cover right there is reinforced to provide extra protection for the glass of the optic. This will not only provide blunt impact protection, but also protection from sharp objects that could scratch the glass. The cover has a locking mechanism in here. I won't be able to show it in the camera because it's all black, but it has a locking mechanism that essentially hooks onto this lip at the top of the hood of the optic to ensure that the cover stays in place and only comes off when you want it to. In order to install the cover, it's going to be a little difficult behind the camera, but give it a shot here. Basically just slide it on and you'll hear a click, which is that locking mechanism. There you go, it's locked. And then you'll notice a few things here. The first is, let me focus here, is there's a slight gap in the front and the back, so the cover doesn't go all the way down to the slide. This is by design, and this is to make sure it's compatible with as many firearms as possible, since every slide and every optic cut could be slightly different in terms of depth. So this ensures that it's compatible. You'll also notice that back here, it's a tight fit, but it was designed such that the back is thin enough to fit between the gap that's there between the rear sight and the optic, so that it doesn't collide and it still snaps in place. Even though it doesn't go all the way down, it still covers everything that should be covered. The emitter, the glass, those are basically the important parts here. To remove it, you basically just on either side of the back, just lift up and pivot forward. This is there you go. It's very similar to the pivoting mechanism or pivoting motion you would do with our Holosun 510C optic cover that also locks in place. So let's try that again here. Click, and then you just lift and it comes off. So that's the Hugo Industries cover for the 407K and 507K optics. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email or our contact form on our website at hugoindustries.com.